To access the air filter, first open the hood. The air filter is located here. There are 4 screws securing the housing. Remove the screws with a Phillips head screwdriver. Lift the housing and remove the old filter. Remove any debris in the housing. Insert your new filter into the housing. It can only be installed with the housing in one orientation. Once the filter is fully flushed and the housing is aligned, reinstall the screws. Close the hood.
Order your parts today at filterheads.com. Also, please like our video and subscribe to our channel so you won't miss any new content.